5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Straight 100. 5 left, 30, 6 right, keep in. 50 crest and long 5 right and 4 left. Into 6 right, 30, 3 right. Into crest and long 4 left, opens. Into care, 6 right over jump, tightens to 4. Into 6 left. Into 6 left over jump, 50. 6 right and straight crest, 30, care jump, and 5 right tightens, split time. Into crest 30, turn long 2 left tightens, don't cut. Into 6 right over jump, 30. Double caution, jump and dip, into 6 left over jump. Jump into 6 right, into 5 left over crest, don't cut. Into 6 right, keep in. Into 6 right over crest, keep in. Into jump, 6 left over jump, don't cut. And 6 right over crest, keep in. 50. 6 right over crest, into straight jump, keep left. Into caution jump, and long 6 left, split and dip. Into 6 left over jump, 50. Big jump, into 5 left, keep in, and 4 right, open long. Into 6 right, and long 3 left, tightens. Into 6 right, into 6 left over jump, keep in, 30. Long 4 right, tightens to 3. Into 6 left over jump, 50. 6 right over jump, 50, 2 left. 56 right into long 3 right, split. 6 left into very long, 6 left and fence. Into 6 right and crest, 30, long 5 left, tightens. Jump into 6 left and turn 5 left. 50 jump into turn 2 right. 30 jump and 6 left over crest, spin and long 3 right. Into crest and 4 left. And 6 right into turn 5 right. And 5 left opens to long 6 over finish.